Looking for the right funding to grow your startup? Here's our 5-minute guide to help you get started. I'm Johnson from Alidas Code and I'm here to help you turn your creative ideas into a standout startup. In this video, we will explore several funding options along with their pros and cons. To not hold you up, let's get started. First, we have venture capital. These investors provide funding for startups that are innovative and rapidly growing. VC firms often come in once your product is trustworthy and your customer base is expanding. Platforms like Crunchbase, AgentList, and PitchBook are excellent resources for identifying VC specializing in your industry or funding startup at your stage. You can also explore niche websites such as VentureDeal for sector-specific VCs. Let's break down the pros and cons. Pros: big funding for your growth. Expert guidance and advice, access to valuable networks and partnership. Cons: giving up part of your ownership, pressure to meet high expectations, less control over decisions. While the capital is great, you will need to give up a portion of your company and they will expect fast growth and big returns. To help you navigate this process, we've compiled a list of top venture capital firms across various industries. Check out the details in the description. Next, we have angel investors. These are individuals who invest their personal funds early on, often bringing valuable mentorship and industry connections. To connect with angel investors, consider joining platforms like Ghost, Angel Investment Network. Local networking events and accelerator programs such as Techstar and U Combinator can also provide direct access to angel investors. Pros: early stage funding for your startup. Expert guidance in your industry. Connection with key influencers. Cons: giving up some ownership. Possible conflicts in vision. Reduced control over decisions. Angel investors often take higher risk, investing in earlier and riskier stages than VCs, but they also expect a stake in your company. The next one is crowdfunding. This is when you raise a small amounts of money from a large group of people, typically through online platforms. Explore platforms like Kickstarter and Indiegogo for ventures or consumer-facing products. For equity-based crowdfunding, check out WeFounder, Start Engine, or Republic. Before launching, craft a compelling pitch and set achievable goals to maximize your campaign's success. Pros: access to capital without giving up equity. Market validation from a wide audience. Opportunity to engage with early supporters and customers. Cons: public disclosure of your business idea and progress. Success is not guaranteed and campaigns can fail. Time-consuming and requires significant marketing efforts. Crowdfunding can validate your idea and build an early customer base, but it requires a lot of marketing efforts, and success is not guaranteed. Government grant can be another option. They offer financial support without taking equity, but they come with strict criteria. Search for grants and loans through platforms like GrantsGov or your local government small business development office. International entrepreneurs can explore global resources such as the World Bank Group's funding opportunities or Startup Europe initiatives. Pros: non-dilutive funding. Increased credibility due to government backing. Lower interest rates on loans compared to traditional financial institutions. Cons: strict application criteria and liability requirements. Lengthy approval and disbursement processes. Limited flexibility in how funds can be used. Government funding is a great way to maintain control, but it's not always quick or flexible. Finally, let's talk about bootstrapping. This is when you fund your business yourself, using your savings or revenue from other ventures. Pros: full control and decision-making authority. No equity dilution. Greater focus on your vision without outside pressure. Cons: limited resources and slower growth. Personal financial risk if the business does not succeed. Potential for burnout due to the financial strain. Bootstrapping gives you full control, but it limits your resources and can slow down your growth. Many successful companies like Apple, eBay, and Meta started through bootstrapping. This approach is ideal if you want to have full control over your business, but are ready for the financial challenges. As a startup, securing the right funding is critical. Whether you choose one of these, the key is to align your choice with your vision and growth goals. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and insights.